Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to add table in Notion. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. Open a blank page and give your table a backslash and then table. Now you can select a table or table view as a database. So I would recommend you to select table view. And now you can simply create this new database. So name your new database. So I will name it new table. And here you can add and set the first column and add the second column. So here you can add a name. So let's add a name and the date. You can proceed like this, add a new property and show or hide the properties. Here you have settings and everything else that you will need to this table. This is how you add table. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.